Amanda from Xinhe Vision, and today I'd like to introduce our new product. This is our 7-inch full IP65 waterproof monitor, and with the following features, it can be support touch, and also with the brightness control on the right side of the screen, and also with the volume control. This is very well among the market, and is our new technology display at the moment. So, and the most special thing is the screen is anti-glare. When you see around yourself in front of the screen, it's very weak and not too smooth. And look the interface, the US with a non-cable and with 3 touch, power, and the HDMI. And so this is my description of the monitor. Thank you for watching.